So let's talk about this problem. All I did was write down the information that was in the problem that you sent me. So beginning inventory plus purchases, purchases. I did forget to put the dollar amounts in here. Let me do that. So $16, 17, 18, and 19. This was the unit price. Okay, this was total cost. All right, so we had 1,700 units and it cost us $30,000. So the question is, which of these 1,700 units did I sell? Did I sell the beginning inventory, the purchases of January, March, or October? So if we do FIFO, first in, first out, we're going to assume we're going to start from the top. So we're going to say we sold beginning inventory of 350, and those were $16. So of the 750 we have left, we sold $950 units. So 350, I still have 600 units. So I must have sold some of the purchases for 125. I had purchased 450. So if I put 450 here, that's 17. If I add these two up, that's 800 units. But I know that I sold 950 units sold. So I must have sold 150 more. So then I have to go to the purchases of 315 and 150 at 18. So if I go and multiply those out, 350 times 16 gives me 5,600. 450, it's 17. Is 7,650. And 150 times 18 is 2,700. So out of the $30,000, my total of what I sold was 15,950. Now I have 750 left. That's this number right here. So of my purchases from 315, I sold 150. I have 200,000 left. 200 left at $18. So this is my ending inventory. And then I have 550 at $19. See, that equals 7. $750 units. Which is what they told us we had right here. So if I multiply that out, 200 times 18 is 3,600. So that's sold. And 550 times 19 is 10,450. If I add those two together, it's equal to $14,050. So that's my ending inventory, and that's what they were looking for under FIFO. Now, let's take a moment and let's do it under LIFO. So FIFO went, if you remember, it went down from the top. LIFO is going to go up from the bottom. So if we sold 950 units, the first units we're going to sell are here, the purchases. So I'm going to sell 550 at $19. I sold 950, so I have to sell 400 more. So I sold 350 at $18, which gives me 900. I need to sell 50 at $17. So all we're doing is figuring out which ones we sold. $10,450 here. $6,300 here. $850 here. All right, so we add those up. It gives us 17,600. Okay, that's what we sold. That's the dollar amount. Now we have ending inventory left. Well, what didn't we sell? We sold 550. Let me see if I can get my... We sold 550 from here. We sold 350 from here. And we sold 50 from here. So we still have 400 left at $17 and 350 left at $16. Notice that adds up to our 750 for ending inventory. $6,800. $5,600. Equals 12,400. So that's our ending inventory under LIFO. Now, your problem just asked you about FIFO, but what I wanted to show you was the difference. The difference is in what we're assuming we're selling. So in one, we're assuming we're selling from the beginning to the end. That's FIFO. So FIFO's here. And in LIFO, we're selling from the end to the beginning. I hope that helps. Let me know if you need any more help or you want to talk about the problem further.